welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Yume Twins box. I have no idea what's going to be in this box because I did not look, so it would be a surprise. Okie dokie. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look how cute. See, there's a cute picture. Yep, there always is. Look at little Kirby. Oh, hey guys, look, I got that rice thing in the first box. How cute. Okay, anyways, so that's a little booklet that comes in this box. So the first thing is this super cute twisty, swirly like twisty straw. Isn't that fun? I don't know what it's supposed to be, but it's cute. This is so cute. Second thing, this is adorable, is this Gudetama ice cream cone. This is the cutest Gudetama thing I've ever seen in my entire life. It's called Spoil Me Sweet. The next little thing in here is this cute little Kirby backpack. Can you see the face on it? It's so cute. And there's like stuffing in it, plastic in it. Look at how cute that is. That's really cute. I have no idea what I'll put in this, but it's super cute and it's pink. The next thing is a pen holder with a little Kirby on it. That's pretty cute. I like it. And then I got a piggy bank. It's this little like Lego, but it has little holes. I'm guessing, yeah, it's a piggy bank, a half and half piggy bank. That is really cute. I like it. These little bottoms come out on this corner and this corner, and then these are just normal. How cute. And there's like literally a line down the middle to separate them. So that's that. And then I got this bag, I think. An eco bag. Oh, how cute. And then this becomes like a inside pocket. It goes into the bag. That is so cute. Little puppy. Oh, I love it. This can be my new workout bag. Let's go shopping. I like it. It's cute. And you just put your bag back into here. How interesting. It's so cute. So I got this cute bag. This cute piggy bank. Kirby backpack. Gudetama ice cream, which can live in my bed now. A cute Kirby pen holder and a twisty straw. This is probably, well, I've only got three boxes so far. This is my second favorite. My first one will always be Pokemon unless they come out with another one that's even better, which I would so totally love that. But this one was really cool. I like everything that came in this box. There's not something in here that I can't actually use or like or want, so that is good. And actually what's funny is I sleep with this blanket from the second box. I put it underneath my upper half of my body, so it keeps me warmer when I sleep. I don't know, it's weird. I sleep on top of blankets. I'm weird. So I sleep on top of a blanket and it doesn't reach all the way to the top of my bed. So then I put this other blanket down where it doesn't reach so I can sleep on top of it when it's cold, because it's really cold right now in Colorado. Like yesterday when I was driving home from my boyfriend's house, it was 1 degree. Uno. On my drive home it got up to 3 degrees. My fingers were frozen last night cleaning off my car. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so painful. And then I got in my car and I was sitting there with my legs, not my legs, with my fingers underneath my legs while driving. I was like, whoa, this is too cold. So like take one finger, put it under my thigh, and drive with one hand, and then like switch and then drive with the other. I don't even know. They were just so cold. So that's how cold it's been. So I was like, I need to sleep on top of blankets all the way up. So it's literally perfect for that. I don't know what else it would be for other than like maybe sitting on the floor with, but it works. I like it. But yeah, so that is my Yume Twins box for February. I got it really late. I literally got it on March like 1st or 2nd. So I'm filming it as fast as I could. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I love you guys so much. Bye guys!